Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disallow this computer to be controlled remotely on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disallow this computer to be controlled remotely on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu and then click on System. In System, click on System Protection or Advanced System Settings. Here you will find a tab Remote. Click on Remote tab, and here the first option is Remote Assistance, and by default allow remote assistance connection to this computer is selected, and here you will find a button Advanced. Click on Advanced button, and here remote control. Under remote control you will find allow this computer to be controlled remotely, and by default is selected. Just deselect it and click on OK. And also you can alternatively deselect allow remote assistance connection to this computer also. It's up to you. Now click on Apply, then click on OK. Now my Windows 11 computer is disallowed to control remotely. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.